that, whenever I see, the trailer or the song, and I see Om Puri, Omji in this, it just kills me. Because, I've done a lot of work with Omji since, years and years. And one moment he was there, and the second one he was gone. So it just, I don't actually enjoy watching the teaser or the song because I see him right there, and one morning we hear that he fell down and he was no more. This is my reaction. I don't know how you guys feel. I killed it for you, right?
No, it's overwhelming. Kabir, I'll come to you now because the way he started with this entire story,
I killed it.
right? I had to. Kabir, your journey with him, right from Ek Tha Tiger, then Bajrangi Bhaijaan, and now, what has changed? I'm sure something must have changed for you that now with the third film that you're doing, the whole relationship must have taken a different turn.
Yeah, I think like any relationship, there's an evolution. And the more you work, the more time you spend together, you begin to... Something like a disturbing of marriage.
So he's talking about mini.
No, but you...
I'm micro mini.
You begin to sort of understand each other's sensibilities. You begin to understand each other's politics, about issues, and that's what's been great. I think a lot of people have told me that I've done 3 films with Salman, and are you only doing this because he's a superstar? But I think I'm really, really fortunate that I've got, of course, the greatest superstar in the country, but I've also managed to do 3 very different films. I managed to get subjects that both of us were equally excited about. And that's the only reason the films came together, because the moment the two of us heard that story or decided that this is what we want to do, we were equally excited and passionate about it.
From what I've read, you wrote this film especially for him, but it's not the exact Salman Khan film that we associate him with. Your films have always been different when it started.
This film, the seed of the idea came from a film called The Little Boy, which I'd seen, and there was something about that idea, the germ of the idea that got stuck in my head, and we got in touch with the filmmakers and said, can we take the idea and adapt it to our context? And then once...
And one visual of that black label kakuch.
Yeah. There was an ad which sort of we put the two together and said, there was an ad about 2 brothers. And I said, this is an idea that I'd like to develop. And when I bounced it off Salman, he thought it was a beautiful character, it was a nice story. And that's how it began. Then I started developing the screenplay.
Sohail, to be real life brothers.
For me, you don't have to ask anything. It's a no-brainer. I have Salman Khan, I've got Kabir Khan, so it's a no-brainer.
No, I have to ask you this. When the cameras come on, you're real life brothers, but when the cameras come on to play those real life brothers, does anything change? मतलब वो जो भाई का रोल आप प्ले कर रहे हैं on screen, जब shoot हो रहा होता है, does anything change from your real life chemistry?
No, nothing. In fact, when people ask me this, I think it comes easier. We just bring our real life chemistry to real life.
And that was very important for me, because the thing is that otherwise, if it was another actor, you have to build in the screenplay a lot of scenes to show the love between 2 brothers. Somehow when you see Sohail and Salman together, it's like one shot and okay, let's proceed from here. You don't need to build it anymore.
So it's like a really emotional film, okay? There's no hard work in this film like in Sultan or in Tiger, running or jumping off, Kushti, Utha, Patak, all that stuff. But emotionally this one was really draining, because Sohail and me, our brothers, we're playing brothers here. So every time there's something, in the screenplay, twist and turn, jahan pe emotion hota tha, it used to really mess me up. Now, if it was somebody else, me being a very limited performer, I would have had a huge problem. It would look fake, false. So the best thing, yeah, everyone knows that. So,
No, I don't think after this film we'll say that. This is like really...
no, they will say it. And I'm happy that they say it. And I would like the rewards, I don't like the awards. अवार्ड फंक्शन में परफॉर्म करने के बाद आई लाइक दैट अवार्ड के लिए मत बनाओ. So it became really easy for me, acting wise, because I was not actually acting, but emotionally it was really draining. Even when I was dubbing, it's embarrassing that a grown man, standing there, and you know it's a movie, and you're dubbing there. I mean, chalo, you're acting, your brother's not there. You have this thing that gone to war, whether he's going to come back, not come back, emotion. But when you're dubbing, so you're just, just lip syncing and dubbing that thing. Tears coming out. That was really bad.
Okay, so I think now.
And coming from us, it's really bad. So there was a time where my dad and my mom and Bheju Chacha, they came to see me in jail. So my uncle saw me after a very long time. He says, how's it going? This is good, nice 1-bedroom suite. It's cool. So my dad smiled. My uncle started crying. So my dad said, yaar, tu kaise pathan ho? Jao yaar, bahar jao yaar.
Okay, so for the next bit, I would request all of you to now turn off your cameras because now we're going to launch the trailer. So, आपको अपने cameras जो हैं वो बंद करने पड़ेंगे. ठीक है?
Yeah, but really,
क्योंकि वो रात को 9 बजे वैसे आएगा लेकिन we can't.
we're going to give it to you, but if you record it and then release it, it won't look nice. There's a lot of work that's gone into it, so please, if you could switch off.
You could switch off your cameras.
हमारा प्रेस बड़ा ही आज्ञाकारी प्रेस है. वो आपकी बात हमेशा सुनेंगे. रिक्वेस्ट करो.
Request तो मैं आपसे दरख्वास्त करना चाहता हूँ.
सवेरा टाउनशिप इंडिया प्राइवेट लिमिटेड रियल स्टेट की दुनिया में एक भरोसेमंद नाम. अब तक 10 साल में 12 सक्सेसफुल वेंचर्स कर चुके हैं. आ रहे हैं अपने और 2 वेंचर्स के साथ जिसका नाम है रेड सैंडलवुड गार्डन और साइबर सिटी हुडा अप्रूव्ड. क्लियर टाइटल, स्पॉट रजिस्ट्रेशन, लेआउट डिजाइन एज पर वास्तु, gated community and 24-hour security with blacktop roads, children's play park and avenue plantation, 24 hours water supply with overhead tanks. सवेरा टाउनशिप इंडिया प्राइवेट लिमिटेड का हर वेंचर होता है ग्राम पंचायत, डीटीसीपी और हुडा अप्रूव्ड. फॉर मोर डिटेल्स यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट अवर ऑफिस सवेरा टाउनशिप इंडिया प्राइवेट लिमिटेड. सवेरा टाउनशिप, लो इन्वेस्टमेंट, high returns.